Hi, my name's Kip, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're making pumpernickel bread. Now our bread has raised, and it's time to punch it down and let it raise some more. Okay, our bread is now raised enough, and what we're going to want to do at this point is we will need to put a little flour on our surface. Take off our cellophane and roll the dough out onto this surface. And you're going to want to take each one and just knead this for about a minute each. We're going to want to make sure that our bread is punched down. This is called punching it down. And you can just knead it for about a minute for each roll. Fold it over on itself. Fold it over on itself. And punch that down really good and tight. And then fold. Works good if you take both the palms of your hands, squish it down, fold it back, squish it down, like this. And this works quite well. Do that with both of your portions of dough. And then for the round pan, make this into a round loaf. And then place that in the pan. Remove the cellophane from the other one. Here it is. And do the same thing for it. When you're done, roll it into more of a loaf. And place that in this pan. And what you're going to do is take both of these, let those raise for about an hour each. And put the cellophane back on. See you in an hour.